Craftsman half horsepower smart garage door opener review. When it comes to home security and convenience, few upgrades make as much impact as a smart garage door opener. Today we're taking an in-depth look at the Craftsman half horsepower smart garage door opener, model CMX EOCG 472, a Wi-Fi enabled chain drive system designed for durability, remote access, and seamless integration into modern smart homes. This review will cover key features and real-world benefits, installation experience and setup challenges, performance, reliability and durability testing, smartphone control and security features, comparison with competing brands, who should and shouldn't buy this opener. By the end, you'll know whether this is the right garage door opener for your needs and how to get the most out of it if you decide to buy. Key features and benefits. Smartphone control via myQ app. The standout feature of this opener is its built-in Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing remote control through the Craftsman myQ app. Why this matters. Monitor and control your garage door from anywhere. Great for letting in deliveries or checking if you forgot to close it. Receive instant alerts if the door's left open unexpectedly. Grant temporary access to family, friends, or service providers without handing out physical remotes. Potential issue. Some users report confusing Wi-Fi setup. More on this later. Mitigation. Follow our step-by-step troubleshooting guide in the installation section. Chain drive system for durability. Unlike belt drive openers, quieter but less robust, this model uses a steel chain drive, known for its strength and longevity. Why this matters. Handles heavy garage doors up to 7 feet tall without strain. Longer lifespan, ideal for high-use households. Better for extreme temperatures compared to plastic belt systems. Trade-off. Chain drives are noisier than belt drives, though quieter than older models. Want to see a step-by-step installation walkthrough? Click the link in the description for our detailed guide. Half horsepower motor with reliable lift power. The half horsepowered motor provides enough strength for standard residential garage doors. Why this matters. Smooth operation for single or double car garage doors. Energy efficient, won't spike your electricity bill. Reliable in cold weather, unlike some weaker openers that struggle in winter. Comparison. Competitors like Chamberlain B970 offer similar power, but Craftsman includes 2 remotes versus Chamberlain's 1. Security Plus 2.0 encryption. The opener uses rolling code technology, generating a new access code each time the remote is used. Why this matters. Prevents hacking, unlike fixed code remotes, which can be intercepted. Secure access for your home's most vulnerable entry point. Comparison. This matches Genie and LiftMaster security standards. Included accessories. The package includes 2 3-button remotes, control up to 3 openers, wireless keypad for keyless entry, safety sensors to prevent door accidents. Why this matters. No extra purchases needed. Some brands charge separately for remotes. Convenient for families. Multiple ways to operate the door. Ready to upgrade your garage? Check today's best price on the Craftsman opener using the link below. Installation and setup experience. Physical installation, 2 to 5 hours. Most users report installation takes 2 to 5 hours, depending on whether you're replacing an old opener. User feedback. Clear instructions, but some steps could be better illustrated. Wi-Fi setup challenges. The most common complaint is myQ app setup issues. Problem. The app may incorrectly indicate successful connection before the opener is fully ready. Check Chamberlain's website for updated guides. Performance and reliability testing. Noise levels? Quieter than old chain drives, but not silent. Noticeable motor hum, though not disruptive. Comparison. Other belt drive openers are quieter, for example, the Chamberlain B450. Battery backup? No built-in battery, loses function during power outages. On-site or a UPS battery backup for $50 if outages are frequent. Smart light quirk. Unlike some competitors, the light doesn't turn on when the safety beam is broken, due to a patent issue. Workaround. Use smart bulbs, e.g. Philips Hue, for motion-activated lighting. Who should buy this? Best for homeowners wanting reliable, no-frills smart control. Families needing multiple remotes, keyless entry. Not ideal for. Those needing ultra-quiet operation, consider belt drive. Homes with frequent power outages, no battery backup. Final verdict. The Craftsman 1No. 2 HP Smart Garage Door. Opener delivers strong performance, solid security, and good smart features at a competitive price. While the myQ setup can be frustrating, once configured, it works reliably. We rate this opener an 8.5 out of 10. Still researching? Click below to read verified buyer reviews and make the smartest choice for your home.